2004 Impala. It's got a bad wheel bearing. Can you hear it growling up there? That's what it sounds like. And if you turn the wheel like really fast, like I was doing just now, you can hear where it kind of stops. Changes tone, you know, with how you're turning the steering wheel. Again, this has a driver's side wheel bearing going out. Let's see if we can hear it again. You hear that growl? When I let off the accelerator, it probably is a little bit more pronounced. So there you go. That's what it sounds like. Hope this helps you out. Alright guys, so I've got this new wheel bearing, wheel hub, whatever you call it, back on this car. I'm not really going to go into details of how to install it. It's pretty simple, and there's probably 1,000 videos on YouTube on how to do these things. But the reason I'm making this one is because I'm going to show you that this hub assembly appears to be good. So if you were, trying to save money and you were trying to find, trying to troubleshoot your car, and you took the wheel bearing out and you grabbed it and you're like, my gosh, this thing is tight. This one is tight. There's no play in it at all. And it rotates just pretty smooth. Perfectly smooth, I should say. The new one is even smoother, and it's much tighter, of course. But, if I was just trying to troubleshoot a car and save money, I would pull this out and go, I don't know, that seems fine to me. But here's maybe a little test to prove otherwise. This is probably going to be some pretty bad video work, but let's try it. Hold this thing out. Now you listen while I try to make it do a sound here. Right there. Alright, it only did it a couple times, but you could hear kind of like a little dry, kind of like a dry flutter in there, almost like a duck quacking. There were certain points where it kind of went like that, which is probably the sound you're hearing at high RPMs when you're going down the road. So that's it for this video. I'm gonna put it all back together, and if this worked, if everything works fine, you're not gonna see any more information on this video. It's just, I'm just gonna post it, which means everything worked out good. Wheel hub, bearing assembly replacement, 2004 Impala. Thanks for watching.